Look what Papa got you. A green tractor. It's a green tractor. It's for Caden. You want to get it on? Yeah. All right, now look. You push that pedal down, you'll go. See this pedal? You gotta push it down. Push it down with your feet. Push on it. Push your feet. You gotta push it down, watch. Can you step on it? Can you step on it?
Strong enough to do it, yeah.
Okay, now push. Can you push down? Push right, step on it. There you go. Whoa. Keep going. Can you step on it again? There you go. Can you step? Step.
Hey, Caden, can you say hi, Papa? You want to put anything in the hatchback?
You put things in there and drive them.
You want to put some toys back there and drive them around?
How about your bowling ball? I'll put your bowling ball back there. Here. Yeah. Here. Here, honey, put your bowling ball back there. Put your bowling ball back there. Can you put it in your basket? Both hands. Put it in your tractor basket. All right.
Now off to league.
Now you don't push, you drive. Gotta drive it.
It'll be nice out in the driveway. Driving to pick up the mail.
You can go drive and pick up the mail. All right, now step on it. Here, use your feet. You can take these off. Okay, now step on it.
Hold on to the steering wheel.
On the steering wheel, push.